That's the hat.
Let's go over here. Let's go over here and see the pretty waterfall over here.
Okay.
Come on. Walk over there. We're going to see the waterfall. Arthur Lee's birthday. This way, Larry. Yeah, I'm proud of you, Aaron. This way. I just want y'all to see the waterfall. I don't think there's been too many times in your life that you've seen a waterfall. All of y'all. See the waterfall?
Yeah.
Peaceful. Relax your mind. Good job, Aaron. Yep. Yep. Yes, yes. Okay. You did good. This way. Over here. This way. No, 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 no. This way. Waterfall's over here. Come on, Larry. This way. Just want y'all to see the waterfall. Walk over here. Get back over here where they're at, Larry. Over here. Let's go over here and look how beautiful this is. Wow. This is nice. Come on. Come on, Aaron. Yep. Come on. Look at this. Look at this. Let's stand up here and look at the waterfall. Larry, come on. Look at the waterfall. Is that not nice? Wow. I see it. Stand up straight. Stand up straight. Stand up straight. Come on. Stand up straight. You got it. Come on. Come over here and look at the waterfall. Yeah, I'm proud of you. Look at this waterfall. See how beautiful it sounds?